Rabdi Ghewar is a delicious Indian dessert that combines the crispy and lacy texture of Ghewar, a traditional Rajasthani sweet, with the rich and creamy flavor of Rabdi, a sweet milk-based dish. Here's how you can make Rabdi Ghewar. Ingredients. For Ghewar. 1. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2. 1/4 cup ghee, clarified butter. 3. 1 cup chilled water. 4. Ice cubes. 5. Oil or ghee for frying. For Rabdi. 1. 4 cups full-fat milk. 2. 1/2 cup sugar, adjust to taste. 3. 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. 4. Saffron strands, soaked in warm milk. 5. Chopped nuts, almonds, pistachios, etc. for garnishing. Instructions. For Ghewar. In a mixing bowl, combine all-purpose flour and ghee. Mix well until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Gradually add chilled water while continuously mixing to form a smooth batter. Add a few ice cubes to keep the batter cold. The batter should have a thin consistency, similar to that of dosa batter. Heat oil or ghee in a wide, flat-bottomed pan. You can use a Ghewar mold or a perforated ladle to make the Ghewar. Hold the mold or ladle just above the hot oil and pour a ladleful of batter in the center. Allow the batter to spread on its own, creating a lacy pattern. Fry the Ghewar on medium heat until it turns golden and crispy. Gently remove it from the oil and drain excess oil by placing it on a paper towel-lined plate. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. For Rabdi. In a heavy-bottomed pan, bring the milk to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. As the milk reduces, keep scraping the sides of the pan and adding the collected cream back into the milk. Continue this process until the milk is reduced to about half of its original quantity and has thickened. Add sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron-soaked milk to the Rabdi. Mix well and continue to simmer for a few more minutes. Assembling Rabdi Ghewar. Place the fried Ghewar on a serving plate. Pour the prepared Rabdi over the Ghewar, allowing it to soak in slightly. Garnish with chopped nuts and additional saffron strands if desired. Serve Rabdi Ghewar warm or chilled. The crispy texture of the Ghewar combined with the creamy Rabdi makes for a delightful dessert experience. Note: making Rabdi Ghewar requires some skill, especially when frying the Ghewar and preparing the Rabdi. Be patient and careful while frying the Ghewar to achieve the desired lacy texture. Similarly, make sure to stir the Rabdi regularly to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan and burning.